Spending $5 and turning it into a $75 sale? Yes, please. I will take that any day of the week. Hi, y'all. It's Christina with Stina Resells. I am a part-time reseller on both Poshmark and eBay, and I also do consign some items into the Real. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to talk a little bit today about a mini retail arbitrage thrift haul that I did last year and how these 5 items that I purchased turned into profit. One of those being a $5 purchase that turned into a $75 sale. Now, most of the time I do my sourcing through Thredup Rescue Boxes, which I unbox on this channel for you guys. And you see the inventory that I get and those items I list, sell, and then I bring you the recaps here on this channel of what sold, how much they sold for, and what kind of profits I make on those Thredup boxes. And I still will bring those to you weekly. But I had a sale this week that was a $5 pickup that I did through Retail Arbitrage. And that turned into a $75 sale. So I wanted to recap this mini haul that I did at TJMaxx. So TJMaxx has twice a year yellow tag sales, which are their rock bottom prices on their previous season's inventory, and sometimes even the stuff from the season the year before. And I've gotten great deals in the past, picking up French Connection for $1 or American Eagle for $1, things like that. This one was a small haul. I feel like last year it wasn't as good as the years before, but I wanted to go over the 5 items that I picked up, what I paid for them, and how much they sold for. And everything in this little haul did sell. So the first item that I picked up was a Zara silk floral skirt. And this was in a size medium. And I have picked up a Zara skirt similar to this before that was in a solid yellow, and it sold right away. So I knew that this would be an easy flip and a fast flip. I picked that up for $4 and then resold that item on eBay for $13. So not a huge profit, but it sold super fast and I was very happy about that. The second item that I picked up on this shopping trip was a Banana Republic. Now this was a factory, not the full Banana Republic, pair of linen green and white gingham pants, and it had a little tie around the waist. So cute. These were in a plus size. These were in a size 18, and those I did sell on Poshmark for $25. The yellow tag on that was only $3, so I paid $3 for those pants and then sold them on Poshmark for $25. Those took a little bit longer to sell, but I was super happy with that sale overall. And the great thing about retail arbitrage is it's new with tags and it's always in good condition, easy to list. So when you can find items that are cheap enough, it's definitely worth picking them up. The next item that I picked up was the sale that I had this week. So keep in mind, it took a year to sell this item, but it was worth it. By the brand Paige, which Paige doesn't always resell very quickly or necessarily for a lot. And I even said that in my little haul video, which I will link above so if you want to watch that. And I was on the fence about picking these up, but the price was too good to pass up. These were in a lightweight green and the material was so soft on these pants. They were a cargo pant, very cool, obviously in great condition, which Paige sometimes doesn't wear that well. But these again were new with tags in a size 10, so a good size. And they were marked down at TJMaxx for $5. I couldn't believe it. Had to pick them up. And they sold this week on Poshmark for $75. It was awesome. The next item that I decided to pick up was by the brand Free People. And Free People is hit or miss for me. These I decided to pick up because they were also linen. They were in kind of a coral or orange color. Very flowy, so pretty. And I picked those up for $5. Now, the flip on these was not as good. This was probably the lowest selling item that I had. And that sold on eBay for $10. So I did double my money. It was worth it to pick up. Free People gets a lot of searches, and that was also in an extra small, so it was kind of a smaller size, but it was worth the pickup for me on that one. The last item that I picked up on this little trip that I probably just went into the store to look for some stuff for my kids and ended up picking up some items to sell. Was also another Zara piece. This was also in an extra small, but I couldn't pass this one up. I paid up for it compared to the other items in the shopping trip because I really liked the style of it. It was in a black denim and it looked like an overall, except it was a dress. It was so cool. I found some stock photos of that, and so I included that in my listing. That I paid $7 for and sold for $15. So again, just doubled my money, and that sold also on eBay. So let's recap. In this trip to TJMaxx during their yellow tag sale, which by the way, if you are going to do this, at least at my local TJMaxx, when they start the yellow tag clearance, it's not the time to buy. Usually the yellow tag clearance goes for like 3 weeks, and it's they keep dropping the prices. So at least that's been my experience, that something might start, like I think the Page pants started at $44 on clearance, and I ended up buying them for $5. So throughout the time that they're doing the yellow tag sale, they continue to drop prices. So just keep that in mind if you're going to do that. Anyways, I spent $24 on this shopping trip. My revenue from selling all 5 of these items was $138. And so my profit after the fees and taking out what I spent on the items was $94. I was so thrilled, and definitely I did check again when they had this last yellow tag sale, and I didn't find anything cheap enough to pick up. I will be checking again. Usually it's in August and in January. So I'll be checking again next month as we move over after back to school and see if there are any other great items for me to pick up. If you guys enjoy these kind of little recaps and what sold, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and join me later this week for another Thredup Rescue Box unboxing. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments if you ever do retail arbitrage and how it works out for you. And specifically, have you done the TJMaxx Yellow Tag Sale? And what kind of items did you pick up? I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.